Hi guys, Chucky here, and today we're making this heavenly loaf of bread using 5 staple ingredients that you already have at home. And what's even better is it only takes about 5 minutes to make the dough, requires no special equipment, no shaping techniques, no scoring, and definitely no kneading involved. So without further ado, let's get on with the recipe. For the wet mixture, in a bowl, add 100 ml of water. Make sure it's just warm and not hot. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons instant yeast, and even an egg if you'd like, but again it's totally optional. Mix it well and keep that aside for about 2 minutes. Meanwhile, in another bowl, get 300 grams of all-purpose flour, add 2 teaspoons salt and mix well. Next, let's get back to our yeast solution. While these looks pretty done, just a little tip here, your yeast should bubble up and form a foamy top within a minute or 2 of mixing it with sugar. If yours doesn't, I insist you get a new packet of yeast. Pour the yeast solution to the flour mixture and stir with the help of a spoon or a spatula until it's all well combined. Once it's done, cover it with a lid or a towel and let it rest for roughly an hour. Mine took about 40 minutes, so make sure to keep an eye on yours around this time. Finally, drizzle some oil over the loaf pan and punch down the dough. Then start stretching out the dough using your fingers. Time to drizzle some more oil, oregano, or any other herbs of your choice. And of course, a generous amount of salt. Let it rest for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, top it with some shredded cheese and pop that in preheated oven for about 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And here you go. No knead bread that's crusty and golden on the outside but soft and pillowy on the inside. So all you folks who's been intimidated by bread making at home, I insist you try this out simply because how easy and effortless this recipe is to make at home.